Hey guys, it's Crazy Coupons. Welcome back to my channel and happy Sunday, everybody. You guys know what that means. We've got some new Dollar General digital coupons to clip to our accounts, and we have some freebies this week and a little bit of overage. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button because it's a free way that you can help your girl out. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, y'all know I love hearing from you, so please leave me a comment down below before you go. And also please take a second to share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, let's jump right in. Alright guys, so first up, let's take a quick look at our insert schedule, and according to this, we should be receiving a Smart Source insert and a Save insert in the newspapers today. Now in my area, it's kind of hit or miss whether they'll put out those inserts early or not, and unfortunately I haven't seen either one of the Save or the Smart Source inserts yet. So I'm definitely going to have to head out and check the newspapers today to see if those inserts are worth purchasing. And just a quick reminder that today we have new free printable coupons on Inbox Dollars. So you guys head on over there, check them out, and make sure that you print off those coupons before they disappear. Now, if you're not already signed up for Inbox Dollars, I definitely recommend that you go and check them out. And even if you just use them to print off your coupons, that is a good way to save a little bit of extra money because Inbox Dollars actually pays you to print off those coupons, and then they're going to pay you 20 cents more when you use those coupons in the store. So definitely go and sign up and get paid to print off your free printable coupons. And when y'all go and sign up, I do have a referral link, which is down in the description box below, and I'll also put it in the pinned comment. And if you use it, you're going to get a free $5 sign-up bonus. So definitely go and check it out. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and jump right into our new Dollar General digital coupons, and we have some pretty good deals for this week and some good news. So first up, we have a 1-off-1 digital coupon for the Scott bath tissue. If you want to pick up the 6 count, those are priced at $3, so after the coupon you're going to pay $2. If you want to pick up the 12 count, those are on sale this week for $4.75. So after the coupon you're going to pay $3.75. And we have some instant savings back this week. So you're going to instantly save $3 at the register when you spend $15 on Scott brand products. So unfortunately, Viva and Kleenex and Cottonelle are not included, but this is a good sign that they're bringing back the instant savings. So good deal on that one. Make sure you clip your bath tissue coupon. Alright, we have 1-off-2 for the Coca-Cola. We have 1-off-1 for the Cottonelle toilet paper. Those 12 counts are priced at $5, so after the coupon you're going to pay $4. We have the Body Armor coupon back. We have 1-off-1 for the Scott paper towels, and again, that is included in the instant savings. So these are priced at $5.95, so after the coupon you're going to pay $4.95. We have $1.95 off 1 Airwick scented oil warmer. So here is our first freebie for this week. So the Airwick warmers, they're priced at $1.95 this week. After the coupon, that's going to make it completely free. So definitely make sure you clip that one. We have a 1-off-1 for the Viva paper towels. These are priced at $6.50. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $5.50. We have 4-off-1 for the Bic disposable razors. So this is a manufacturer coupon. Usually we have a DG store coupon, but this one is in fact a manufacturer coupon. So this one is working on the Bic Soleil razors that are priced at $5. So after the coupon, you're going to pay at $1. There are also some priced at $6 and $6.25. Now this coupon is glitching, and it is working on the Bic Simply Soleil 3-count razors at $3.45. So this coupon is going to make it completely free, plus give you 55 cents in overage. So very good deal there. We have 2-off-1 for the Schick Classic disposable razors. Those are priced at $4.75. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $2.75. We have a 1-off-2 for the Nabisco cookies and crackers. 1-off-1 for the Colgate toothpaste. Now we have several Colgate coupons. None of them, unfortunately, are glitching this week that I know of as of right now. But this one does work on the Colgate Max Fresh toothpaste. They're $2.75, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $1.75. All right, we have Wonder Bread, the Eddie's ice creams, 2 coupons for those. We have 1-off-1 for the Quilted Northern. So we do have a higher value coupon of $1.50 off one. So I'm going to pass on clipping this one for now. But if you want to clip this one to your account, this works on the 12-count Quilted Northern bath tissue. They're priced at $6.75. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $5.75. All right, next up, we have 1 off 1 for the Hellmann's. And we'll go over a lot of these other coupons that I'm skipping over. We'll go over some more of them in the Good Deals and Glitch List video this week. So we have 3 off 2 for the Dial body washes. Those are priced at $4.50. Pick up 2, use this coupon. You're going to pay $3 for 2. We have 4 off 1 for the Chic Women's or Skintimate razors. So if you want to pick up the Skintimate Intuition razors or the Chic Intuition razors, it's pictured right there on the screen on the coupon. Those are priced at $7.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $3.50. I think it's the Chic Intuition. Too many to keep up with. All right, next up, we have 1 off 1 for the Edge or Skintimate shave gels. Those are priced at $3, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $2. We have 1 off 1 for the All or Snuggle. These are on the big, huge bottles. So these are priced at $8. After the coupon, you're going to pay $7. We have Lipton Tea. We have 1 off 1 for the Suave liquid fabric softeners. These are priced at $8. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $7. We have 4 off 1 for the Chic disposable or Skintimate disposable razors. This is working on the women's Skintimate razors in the purple packs. You know, they're kind of pictured right there. It's blue. It's in the blue packaging right there on the coupon. But the one that's pulling up for me in the app is purple. So those are priced at $6. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2. So we have some really good deals on razors this week. Next up, 2 off 1 for the Kotex products. So we have some that are priced at $3.45. If you can find those liners, after the coupon, you're going to pay $1.45. The next price point up from that is $4.25, and there's several included at that price point. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $2.25. All right, Brawny paper towels. 4 off 2 for the Colgate Total toothpaste. So those are priced at $4 each. This is basically a buy one, get one free coupon. You're going to pay $4 for 2. 1 off 1 for the Listerine. If you want to pick up the 500 milliliter bottles, those are priced at $4.75. After the coupon, you're going to pay $3.75. We have 75 cents off for the Ajax. This is on the big 90 ounce bottles. Those are priced at $5. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $4.25. We have 1 off 1 for the Purex liquid laundry detergent 195 ounce bottles. So those are priced at $11. After the coupon, you're going to pay $10. It's early, guys. All right, we have a $4.05 off one for the Kingsford charcoal. These start out at $14. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $9.95, and that's on the 12-pound bags. All right, we've got some coupons here we'll skip over. 4 off 1 for the Chic Hydro men's razors. Those are priced at $9, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $5. We have Advil, Voltaren, Frito-Lay Variety Pack. I couldn't get a price on that to pull up in the app for me, but I'm definitely checking that one out when we go into the store this week. Next up, 50 cents off one for the Vanity Fair napkins. Those are priced at $4, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $3.50. We have L'Oreal Paris Hair Color, 25 cents off for the Juicy Drop Remixes. I guess that's some kind of candy. Those are priced at $1.95, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $1.70. We have 25 cents off for the Bazooka Gum. Whew, that's a throwback. All right, so these are priced at $1, so after the coupon, you're going to pay just 50 cents. We have Pepsid and Imodium. We have IBGuard, 3 off 1. Now, I'm pretty sure that these pennied out not too long ago, maybe 2 or 3 months ago. So keep your eye out, because that would be a lot of overage if you could find those for a penny. Next up, 2 off 1 for the Purex Laundry Pack, 17 to 21 count. This is going to be a really hot ticket item this week. These are $3.50. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $1.50. All right, Coppertone. We have buy one, get one half off for the Suave Aroma hair care products. Let me see if I wrote that down. So those are priced at $4.25 each. Go ahead and clip that. I'm not sure if we have any insert coupons that would stack with that, but I'm definitely going to check. All right, Rexall Melatonin Vitamins. This is a 1 off 1 digital coupon. If you want to pick up the 60 count, those are priced at $2.75. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $1.75. We have 1-off-1 for the Suave body spray or dry spray. So the body spray is a new product at DG, or at least it's new at my stores. So those are priced at $5. After the coupon, you're going to pay $4. Alright guys, moving on down, we have save $1 when you spend $5 on Black Forest, Trolley, Nerds, Sweet Tarts, Laffy Taffy, or the Bronx candies. So one deal that I found with this coupon, there's a lot included, but one deal that I found was on the Trolley Gummies. They are on sale this week. Buy 3 and get 1 for free. So if you pick up a total of 5 with that sale and this coupon, you're going to pay $3 for 5. So I think that's a pretty good deal, especially if you're needing some snacks this week. All right, next up, buy 3, get 1 free on the Knorr pasta sides. You buy 3 of the Knorr sides, and you're going to get the Clover Valley or the Good Smart canned vegetables for free. All right, so I think that works out to be $3.75 for all 4 products. Next up, 75 cents off one for the Pond's skincare product. So this is a really good deal. This is working on the smaller Pond's face moisturizers. You know, the ones that we see and we always wish our coupons would work on because they're cheaper, but they never work on them. So we have this digital coupon and it is working on these smaller Pond's face moisturizers. They're priced at $2. So after the coupon, you're going to pay just $1.25. Next up, we have save $1 when you spend $3 on Suave hand and body lotion, body wash, or bar soap. So there's a lot included with this coupon, but the cheapest item that I could find were the 2-count bar soaps at $1 each. Pick up a total of 3, use this coupon, you're going to pay $2 for 3 of the 2-count bar soaps. Hope that made sense. All right, next up, 2 off 2 for the Dove Beauty Bar products. Now, this week at Dollar General, we have an instant savings of $2 when you spend $8 on Dove products. So, pick up 2 of the 3-count Dove bar soaps. That's going to put you at $8 right on the dot. Take advantage of that instant savings, plus this coupon that's going to leave you paying $4 for 2. So, that's a pretty good deal there. We have 1 off 1 for the Dove Hair Therapy products. My stores still do not have those in stock. All right, buy 2, get 1 free for the Bright Air Super Odor Eliminators. These are priced at $3. So pick up a total of 3, you're going to pay $6. We have DG Health Allergy Relief. We have the Dove Body Love Body Wash. Those are priced at $8. So again, we have the instant savings on Dove products. Take advantage of that. Plus this coupon, you're going to pay $5 for 1. We have ibuprofen, and would you look at that? Look at that. How nice is that to see in our coupons this morning? So I have checked all of my accounts, and on all of my accounts, I have a 5 off $25 coupon for this Saturday at Dollar General. So you guys let me know, but I'm pretty sure a lot of people receive this 5 off 25 because I had only been receiving it on 1 account this entire time, and I think that is because I called in and complained. So hopefully the 5 off 25 is back to stay, but you guys let me know down in the comments, did you get a 5 off 25 today on your account? And if you did, you make sure you go ahead and clip it fast before it disappears. All right, next up, we have a 1 off 1 for the Febreze Air Effects. Those are priced at $3, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $2. And we may have a 3 off 2 on some accounts if you didn't already use it last week, but I did use mine, so I'm going to go ahead and clip this 1 off 1. All right, next up, 2 off 1 for the Gain Liquid Laundry Detergent. These are priced at $5.50, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $3.50. We have 1 off 1 for the Bounce and Downy products. Those are priced at $5, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $4. 2 off 1 for the larger Downy products. We have a 3 off 2 for the Crest Complete or Pro Health toothpaste and the mouthwash. So these start out at $3, so it's basically a buy 1 get 1 free coupon. All of those other Crest coupons, like the 6 off 4 and the 5 off 3, did expire over the weekend. So I'm going to go ahead and clip this one just to have it on my account, just in case. All right, 1 off 1 for the Johnsons. We have $2.50 off 1 for the Lubriderm products. So those lotions start out at $6. So after this coupon, you'd pay $3.50 for 1. We also have a 4 off 2. So again, $6 each. Use this coupon. You're going to pay $8 for 2. We have 2 off 1 for the Neutrogena sun care products. Those are pretty pricey though, unless you can find them in the clearance section. 1 off 1 for the BioFreeze. These start out at $6.25. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $5.25. We have Sour Patch Kids there. 1 off 1 for the Kellogg's crackers. So these are $3.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2.50. And there's that other Colgate coupon for 1 off 1. Again, it works on the Max Fresh toothpaste. Those are priced at $2.75 each. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $1.75. Alright guys, so I think that is it for our new Dollar General digital coupon. Alright guys, so that is it for me for now. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and before you go, if you're not already subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so that you can become a part of our crazy couponing community here. Also, give the video a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, let me know how y'all are doing today, and if you received a 5 off $25 coupon, and please take a second to share the video. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next one.